In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Recaptcha issues on Google Chrome. Now, if you've ever come across a situation where you're trying to prove you're not a robot and that little checkbox just won't cooperate, I know how frustrating that can be. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a simple process to help you resolve this issue. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Ensure that it's updated to the latest version, as running an outdated version can sometimes cause glitches with certain web functionalities. Keeping your browser updated is not only crucial for functionality, but also for maintaining security. Once your browser is open, take a look at the upper right-hand corner where you see 3 vertical dots. Click on them, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new tab where we can adjust some key settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a sidebar on the left-hand side. From here, click on Privacy and Security. We're going to focus on the Clear Browsing Data option, which is crucial in resolving any cached issues that might be the root cause of the Recaptcha problem. Select Clear Browsing Data, and a new window will pop up. You're going to see 3 options: Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Make sure all these boxes are checked. Now here's an important tip. While clearing browsing data can fix issues with Recaptcha, it also means that you'll be logged out of most websites. So, ensure you've saved any work or have passwords handy before you proceed. Once you're ready, click Clear Data, and this process might take a few seconds depending on how much data you have stored. Now that you've cleared your browsing data, let's move on to another potential solution. Go back to the Settings tab, and in the search bar at the top, type Content Settings. Click on the Site Settings option that appears. Scroll down and find the JavaScript section. Ensure that Allowed Recommended is selected. JavaScript needs to be enabled for Recaptcha to work properly. Finally, let's tackle cache and cookies directly related to the website causing the issue. Go back to the Privacy and Security section, but this time look for Cookies and Other Site Data. Click into that and scroll down to See All Cookies and Site Data. Use the search bar at the top right to search for the specific website that's having the Recaptcha issue. Once you find it, delete the cookies related to that site. After you've followed these steps, restart your Google Chrome browser for the changes to take effect. Head back to the website you were trying to access earlier and attempt the Recaptcha once more. If all goes well, you'll finally be able to check that box without any trouble. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix any Recaptcha problems you're experiencing on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps solve your issue efficiently.